Version 21 is now available to download from the members area. This video highlights some of the new features and brief, but for more detailed videos, please see the ArtiCAD Academy training section of our website. We hope that you enjoy using version 21.
Using version 21 for the first time, you'll notice there's an update to the material library. This is a new default color scheme. The new material library works in a catalog based system. You choose the component, click on change, select an item from the library, and it's as easy as choosing something from a catalog. Click OK, OK again. It allows you to create more realistic renders than ever before without any need to alter lighting, material properties. So it means even as a new user, you can produce stunning imagery out of the box. In version 21, we've also included pricing. If you've got any price lists pre-installed, it's as simple as that. It'll automatically pull in any prices and flag up any remaining items. From there you can choose them from one of your pre-installed catalogs. In version 21, we've also added in more options for customizing frame sizes. You can click on a unit and customize the frame size between doors and drawers individually on a unit by unit basis, effectively allowing you to remove the frames in between doors and drawers. Another addition to version 21 is the implementation of German catalogs. Any catalogs you have installed on your machine, you can choose at the beginning of a design and effectively design using that catalog. From here you can choose your catalog options and then start designing.